I'm going to show you how to wear the ahram, the bottom piece. You have the right side shorter than the left side. The left side is long. You hold your belly in and you wrap it around until you get to the hip around your belly. And subhanallah, make sure that it doesn't go below your ankles. Hold your belly in, subhanallah, as you're doing this, and then you wrap the left side in front of what you just did with the right, and you wrap it up again, making it 3 to 4 layers in the front. If it's very long, you might have a 4th layer. If it's not a very long ihram, you may have just 3 layers. You're still holding your belly in. You've opened your legs a little bit and you're folding this outward while holding your belly in a little bit. And as you're folding it outward, you bring it all the way to your belly button. And subhanallah, then you release your belly. Subhanallah, it is as tight as ever. Here is a youngster coming and trying to pull the ihram down with all his might, and he won't be able to pull it. We've used no belts, no pins, we've tied no knots, and subhanallah, that is how solid it is. Now we want to show you the top piece. The top piece is the other way around, where the left side is going to be shorter than the right side, and the right side is actually going to be thrown over the left shoulder. So that's what you do. The left is shorter, the right is longer. You've thrown it over the left shoulder, and there we are. We're covered completely. Only during the 7 rounds of tawaf do you actually take it under your right shoulder, and you're showing your shoulder and your muscle, subhanallah, for the first 3 rounds of tawaf. And for the other 4 rounds, your arm is still open, but only for tawaf. After tawaf, you cover it back again, and you're totally covered for the rest of your umrah. I'm going to show you the bottom once again. So remember, the right side is shorter than the left side, and you wrap it round, holding your belly in. You've opened your legs a little bit. If you have a shorter ihram, it comes a little bit higher, but make sure it doesn't go below your ankles. Here you are. You wrap the right side around your belly, taking it to the waist of the left side, and then you wrap the left, bringing it to the right, and the right bringing it back to the left, and then you roll it over outward until you actually get to your belly button, and then you release your belly. Once you've released your belly, we're done.